Facebook, YouTube. Here at this job in Queens, New York. I'm doing some tile and grout cleaning. It's one of these like closed off co-op neighborhoods. The total work order was $160 for clean and seal. Anyway, I'll show you guys some of the after work here. Yeah, just watch this part here. That's so cool, right?
Yeah.
Like it disappears.
You can't believe this, Howie.
That's cool, right? Look, watch that one.
This floor is 9 years old.